Boys and girls, please write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. Elephant friends. Elephants live in a community with their friends and family. They care a lot for each other, just like people do. As you read, think about how elephants and people are alike. Boys and girls, write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. A caring community. Elephants live together in big groups. They care for each other in different ways. Elephants play together. Elephant friends like to have fun. They play with each other. They run around and wrestle. They play with sticks and branches. They swim in pools of water and splash each other. Talk about it. How do you play with your friends? Elephants help out. Elephants live in big groups. They help each other out. Older elephants look after young ones. It's like babysitting. Sometimes an elephant in the group gets sick or hurt. The other elephants take care of it until it feels better. Talk about it. How have you helped a friend before? Elephants communicate. That means they tell each other how they are feeling. They make a rumbling noise to say hello. They make a trumpet noise to say, I'm angry. They make a chirping sound to say, it's okay. Talk about it. What is something you would like to communicate to a friend? Elephants comfort each other. Sometimes elephants get sad or scared. Their friends comfort them. They try to make them feel better. How does an elephant comfort? It puts its trunk in another elephant's mouth. That would be like putting your nose in your friend's mouth. Talk about it. How would you comfort a friend who's feeling sad? Look at the diagram, then answer the questions. Elephant diagram. It has two big ears. It flaps them like a fan to cool off. It has a trunk. That's its nose. It breathes and smells with its trunk. It can also use its trunk to pick things up. It has two tusks. They are long teeth. It has a tail. It uses its tail like a fly swatter. It swings its tail to keep insects away. Question 1. An elephant's trunk is its ears, nose, or teeth? An elephant's trunk. Look for it up here on the diagram. Was the trunk like ears? Was the trunk like a nose? Or was the trunk like teeth? Question 2. What are tusks, teeth, noses, or ears? What are tusks? Go up to the diagram, look for the word tusks, and are they teeth, noses, or ears? Question 3. Which one does an elephant use to keep insects away? Its trunk, teeth, or its tail? Which one does an elephant use to keep insects away? Look up at the diagram for what an elephant uses to keep insects away. Is it the trunk, the teeth, or the tail? Question 4. Which one can't an elephant do with its trunk? Breathe, smell, or hear? Which one can't an elephant do with its trunk? Look up at the diagram for the elephant's trunk. It can do 2 of these things. One of them it cannot do. Which one can the trunk not do? Breathe, smell, or hear? Bonus. Which body part does an elephant use to comfort a friend? Draw a check mark on that part. Yes, you have to answer the bonus question. I should see you coming up to the diagram with your pencil, remembering which body part from the inside of your Scholastic News that the elephant uses to comfort a friend, and you're going to put a check mark on that body part. Make sure you answered all the 5 questions. Put your first name, last name, and date on the front and turn it into the finished work bin.
Which animal runs as fast as a person, weighs more than a truck, and has teeth that can be 10 feet long? Here's a hint. It's gray. Right? It's huge. It's an elephant. And there's a lot you might not know about this amazing animal. All about elephants. Elephants live in groups called herds. The different types of elephants in a herd have special names. Baby elephants are called calves. Adult female elephants are called cows. Adult males are called bulls. Calves and cows live together. Bulls mostly live on their own. The oldest cow is usually the one in charge. She is called the matriarch. She leads the other elephants around to look for water and food. Elephants are herbivores, which means they eat only plants. Most elephants have tusks. Tusks are actually teeth. But an elephant doesn't use them to chew. Tusks make good tools for digging in the dirt or scraping bark off trees to eat. Tusks can grow to be 10 feet long. That's larger than a person. An elephant's amazing trunk can pick leaves or grab fruit, but that's not all a trunk can do. When an elephant goes for a swim, it sticks its trunk in the air like a snorkel. That way, the elephant can keep breathing while it's underwater. An elephant's trunk can help it get a drink, too. The elephant sucks water into its trunk. Then it squirts the water into its mouth. It can even use its trunk to take a shower. And a trunk can tell an elephant if a predator, like a lion, is nearby. The elephant just sniffs the air for the lion's scent. Can your nose do all those things? If a predator is nearby, the herd takes action. The adults stand in a circle with the calves in the middle. That keeps the calves safe. The adults make loud noises to try to scare the enemy away. Elephants take care of each other in other ways too. Older elephants babysit for younger elephants. Healthy elephants care for sick or hurt elephants. Elephants look big and tough, but they are also gentle and caring. We can learn a lot from the animals in this herd.